In this series, we analyze residential properties using the owner framework. Through our experience in real estate, we aim to share clear and practical insights that help you make more informed decisions. In the final part of this series, we evaluate alternative properties. Beyond primary formats like high-rise apartments, villa communities, and independent houses, there exists a wide range of alternative property options. These include builder floors, multiple flats developed at the parking level, independent floors within standalone homes, combinations of multiple apartment units, and emerging formats like senior living and co-living spaces. Each of these caters to a specific lifestyle, budget, or investment goal, and importantly, they cannot be evaluated through a one-dimensional lens. They require context before applying any framework. Now let's look at it through the owner framework. Ownership dynamics can vary significantly across these formats. The nature of title, land share, and sale conditions is often inconsistent. This makes due diligence not just important, but essential. Wealth. These formats can offer attractive entry opportunities in the right situations. However, due to variations in structure, documentation, and market acceptance, the risk profile is generally higher and highly location dependent. Neighborhood. These formats tend to have limited community structure compared to organized developments. Because of their smaller scale and lack of centralized amenities, community interaction is usually less structured and more individual-driven. Ease. These property formats generally require a higher degree of personal involvement. While limited shared arrangements may exist in some cases, maintenance and staffing responsibilities are often partially or fully self-managed. Rental yield. Rental yield in these property formats is largely situation-specific. Demand tends to be comparatively lower than organized residential communities, making returns highly dependent on location and configuration. Now that we've analyzed this using the owner framework, let's translate it into a simple rating. Each factor is rated on a 5-star scale based on typical performance patterns we've observed. Ownership of land. 1 star, ownership clarity varies significantly with inconsistent and non-standard sale structures. Wealth, only per square foot. 3.5 stars, variable outcomes, where usability can be strong but depends heavily on the specific property. Neighborhood, 1 star, typically minimal community interaction due to the nature of these formats. Ease, 2 stars, similar to apartments, with greater personal involvement required in staffing and maintenance. Rental yield per square foot yield. Usable area. 2 stars, average rental yield, with comparatively lower demand than most other formats. If you found this video helpful and want more such insights, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and follow us on YouTube and Instagram for more.